Hello and welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a closer campaign in your Vicidial. So as you can see, I have installed the Vicidial. If you wanted to know how to install it, you can see the installation video. So I will be mentioning in my description. You can check it out. So let's continue with this video. So as you can see, I've created a campaign over here. Okay, the test campaign. So what the scenario I'm going to show you is that suppose there is a call which is connected to this particular campaign and the agent wanted to transfer to another campaign to the closer, okay, to the supervisor who is logged in as a closer. So how we can do that? So first of all, what we have to do, first we have to create a in group. So let's click on the inbound, then we are going to select the show in group. Okay, so over here let's create a new in group and I'm going to give it a name called 300 and let's type it test ing. Okay, and you have to choose a color from here, so I'm going to select this one. Make sure this is active, and the group you have to select whatever group you wanted to assign. And this is the next call agent. So what this function is going to do, it's going to transfer the call. So I'm going to type the longest wait time. So what it will do, the first call it's going to send to that particular agent who is waiting for a long time, rather than sending the call to the random people. So you make sure you select that, or if you have any another requirement, you can select from here, then submit. Okay, now the in group is created, but it's saying that not set as allowed in any campaigns. It means that we have not like selected this particular in group in any campaign yet. So the in group is now created. As you can see, 300 test in group is now created. Now let's go to the campaign. Okay, so this is the campaign that we are going to use. So let's click on the details view. If you scroll down a bit, you will find a option over here. Okay, so we have to select this one. Make sure allow closer is enabled, so this will allow this campaign to transfer call to the closers. So if you scroll down a bit, you will find a option called allow transfer groups. Okay, so this is the group that we are going to transfer the call to. Okay, and we are going to click submit. Okay, so what this thing will going to do, any call, okay, this particular campaign is going to transfer, and this is the group that we had just recently created. This is the group where the call will be transferred. So once you have submitted, okay, now we have to go to the campaign again, and we are going to create another campaign where the closer is going to be logged in. So I'm going to create another campaign over here. Okay, or you can just copy. So I'm going to create another campaign. Let's give it this campaign the name of closer and submit. This is the group that you are going to select. Okay, agent call, make sure to select this to the same longest wait time. This is the time, and we are done. So now what do you have to do? Now I'm going to log in as an agent so I can demonstrate how this thing is going to do. Okay, over here, but we're going to create another agent over here. So that particular agent is going to be closer. So I'm going to use the 1002. Okay, the campaign will be this, and submit. Okay, so this particular agent is going to be as a closer, and we have to click on the inbound group once again. So click on the inbound, then show inbound groups, click on this, and if you scroll down over here, you have to select which user is going to be closer. So I'm going to select the 1002 and submit, and we are pretty much done. So let's log in as an agent. So I'm going to log in with the 1001 user, and over here, so let me type the password, and So this is the campaign from where we are going to transfer this call to the closer campaign. So I'm going to log into this and submit. Okay, so I have received the call now and I am logged in, but I have to log into the another browser. So I'm going to use this one, and over here I'm going to log in as 1002 so I can receive the call from that user. So I'm going to select the closer campaign and submit. Okay, so over here we have to select the group. So I'm going to select this one and make sure to enable this blended call and then submit. Okay, we are logged in now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a call from here. So I have a number, I'm going to dial this and dial now. Okay, the okay, okay, so the call is connected now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer this call to the other agent 1002. So to do that, we are going to select the transfer option over here and we are going to use this one, local closer. So I'm going to click on this and select any region. Okay, over here as you can see I have received the call on this particular agent 1002. You can see this is the number. Okay, and this is the campaign and we are receiving the call from the 1001 ID. So the call is running right now. If I go to the report over here, okay, as you can see the closer is now getting the call, it's now running. So this is how you can create a closer campaign. So if you find this video any helpful, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much for watching.